welcome back. I hope you all are having a fantastic day. So today, as you can see from the description down below, we have our July 2019, that's upside down, BirchBox. So we are going to get into unboxing our BirchBox and see what we got. I do want to remind you guys, before we get to unboxing, we do have our 3,000 subscriber giveaway going on. It does end on the 17th. So if you have not yet entered, please do so. The link will be below. If you are new, welcome. And I do hope you would consider hitting that subscribe button and hanging around and sticking it out with us and our YouTube family here. We always have a great time. We do unboxings, live streams, giveaways, just a lot of fun stuff. So we'd love to have you join us. And don't forget, please do leave a comment down below telling me your thoughts on the video and how your day is going. Also, please do give the video a thumbs up because it does really help me out. So, BirchBox. For those of you that are not aware, BirchBox is a monthly beauty subscription where you receive 5 to 7, it just depends, sometimes, beauty products. They usually are sample, sometimes deluxe size sample items. I have on the occasion received full size items once or twice. Doesn't happen often, but it does happen. BirchBox is now $15 a month if you are a new subscriber. And I do have a link that I will put down below if you would like to sign up. And I think personally that it is still, I think it's worth it because they seem to have stepped up their game. They are using more prestigious brands and the samples are getting better. The sizing of the samples are getting better. And I love the fact that now they offer, you know, you can go in and you can choose between 2 or 3 different samples and then the rest will be curated based on your profile. Or they now usually are, it looks like they're offering 3 to 4 curated boxes every month. So you'll actually see exactly what you're going to get and you can choose that, or you can choose completely surprise me. So they're giving you a lot of ways to customize your box. And then, like I said, again, the brands that they're starting to use and just the samples in general seem to me to be a little bit more on the deluxe size rather than the super teeny tiny like Smurf samples. And then, like I said, I got a Luxie brush in one. I got a full size Smith & Colt nail polish in one. So I definitely think the value is there. So like I said, I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up for BirchBox. But otherwise, let's get into our July 2019 BirchBox and see what we got. I'm digging the like lemons and oranges. Seeing lots of like lemon and orange citrusy things. It is summertime. So here is our card. And it says, I became proud of the shape and size of my small breast when I recognized during my pregnancy that I was capable of sustaining life. Now I'm much less inclined to hide that part of myself. Love you, Jessica. Okay, let me read this because maybe that'll make a little bit more sense. Love you. We want your BirchBox to be a reminder to take care of yourself inside and out. The person on the front of your card is one of 6 we're featuring this month who has overcome an insecurity to feel more confident in her own skin. See them all at birchbox.com/loveyou and share yours by tagging #2YouLoveYou. Okay, so that makes more sense because at first I was like, I don't get it. So that's kind of the theme this month is love you, to, you know, love yourself, love the skin you're in and all of that, which I think is amazing. All right. So we do see here our products. So we will reference that when we need to. I do like that they include pricing. It is the full size pricing, so not the pricing necessarily of the items we actually have. But without further ado, here's what I see. All right. Oh, that's nice. So here this is for, you have to be a subscriber. This is nice that they're doing this. This is a 20% off coupon for their Discovery kits and their limited edition boxes. So that's awesome. But let's get into here. I see one thing that we have been getting in a lot of boxes, so we're going to start with that, and that is the Invisibobble. This says Power. Invisibobble Power. There are 3. Oh, and it says 3. Extra strong hair rings. This is new to BirchBox. This is a new brand they are working with. And this is Invisibobble Power Pinking of You. It says full size is $9. These strong hold hair ties keep your pony in place without snagging. Their smooth spiral design allows for even pressure so they won't crease your hair. So there you go. We got some super strong pink Invisibobbles. I don't know if this is full size, if they come this way. I do know that we got a 6-pack in FabFitFun that was worth $16. So this might be correct. So this might be $9 right here. So that's all, I mean, that's already one item value of the box, or getting close to. All right, so then we have, and I have actually gotten this before in a box. I did choose a curated box, so it's not like they sent me a repeat sample. But I have gotten this, and this actually smells amazing. This is the number 4 Super Comb Prep and Protect. The full size is $32. Shield your hair from heat with this leave-in conditioning and detangling mist made with hydrators like black currant and Sorry about that. My dad popped up and decided to take Christopher to get some donuts. So the number 4 Super Comb and Prep, it says hydrators like black currant and soy yogurt. Spritz on the hair and comb through before blow drying or air drying. And you guys, this stuff smells amazing. So there's that item. And then we have from Bumble and Bumble, right here, Don't Blow It Hair Styler. Full size is $31. This game-changing air dry cream features plant-based conditioners to enhance volume and UVA and UVB filters to protect against harmful rays. Work evenly into damp hair and let air dry. So there is that, which I have been letting my hair air dry. Like, it's actually just pulled back wet a lot because it is just so hot that I can't have my hair down right now. So I'm excited to give that a try. And I've actually heard really good things about this. This is exclusive to BirchBox. This is by Arrow. This is the Boost. There you can see. Color Enhancing Lip Balm Blush Hour. This is full size. This is $15. So this right here is the cost of the box. So then we have the Invisibobbles that are $9. Those other 2 products are pretty pricey. So and they're decent size samples, enough that you're going to be able to try multiple times to see if you like it. So I really think BirchBox is getting there. This ultra hydrating formula magically adjusts to your lips' pH to create a flattering rosy pink hue that's unique to you. So that is awesome. And then we have from Coola, which is fantastic. I love this brand. Dawn Patrol Classic Primer SPF, full size is $42. This primer meets sunscreen hybrid, preps skin for makeup, and protects from harmful UV rays. It says apply liberally 15 minutes before sun exposure, wear alone or follow with makeup. So being that this is actually a primer, you don't need that much, so this size should last you a good little bit. And I love that it has the SPF in there, so an SPF 30 at that, so I think that's really good. I like a higher SPF. I know 30 is not like that high, but for me with my face, I think that is a really good level. And we do have one final item, And this says new to BirchBox. So this is a new brand to BirchBox. And this is Clarins Wonder Perfect Mascara 4D. Full size is $28. And they have it in this cute little bag. I'm actually not going to take it out because I'm going to set this to the side for a future giveaway just because I have so many mascaras. Lengthen, curl, define, and volumize with this carbon black mascara that promotes thicker, longer lashes. So that is awesome. And again, this is a size to me that is you're going to get a good amount of use. Honestly, I never go through a full size of mascara. I would be very happy to just get mascara this size and use them because since I like to try different mascaras. So I'm happy with this size. I think it's awesome. So we got the mascara, the Invisibobbles, which is full size at $9. The full size Aero Boost Color Enhancing Lip Balm, $15. That right there was the cost of the box. We got the Coola Primer. Again, this size you're going to get multiple uses out of. I love that it's SPF 30. The Bumble and Bumble, don't blow it. Hair Styler. This is for fine to medium soft hair. Again, this is for air drying your hair, which is I think it's actually neat to have a leave-in that is specifically designed to let your hair air dry. And then we have the number 4 Comb and Protect Super Comb Prep and Protect. I can't speak. And it is one of their best sellers, and I can definitely see that because it is amazing. Like I said, I have received this from them before. It smells fantastic, and like I said, it's not a duplicate, so don't think that because I'm saying I've gotten it from BirchBox before, they send a lot of duplicates because I chose this as a curated box, so I knew this was in there. So I'm super happy to have this. So that was our July 2019 BirchBox. What did you guys think? Do you get BirchBox? Are you on the fence about it? Let me know down below. I definitely think it is worth it, even with the price increase, the $15 a month. I think it's worth it. We got 6 items. So like I said, you get between 5 and 7 items. You could choose between 3 to 4, it looks like, at least every month. Curated boxes, you could choose between 3 samples and then the rest is customized on your profile, or just completely have them surprise you based on your profile. So again, the amount of ways they're giving you to customize your box, I think, is fantastic. So again, a link will be down below if you would like to sign up, and they usually have a code going around to save you some money or get you some, your first box free or an extra item. So definitely check into that. Use the link down below. Get you a BirchBox if you have not already, if you're looking for a cheap way to find and try higher end good products. So I hope you have a fantastic day. Thanks for hanging out with me for a few minutes, and I will see you guys with the next one. Bye.